how to enable dark theme on Twitter app now called X on your PC in 2024. Let's get started. Dark themes are great for reducing eye strain and saving battery life on your devices. Let's dive into how you can enable this feature on X. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to twitter.com. Once you're on the home page, log in into your account if you haven't already. Next, look to the left hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the More button at the bottom of the theme. A new menu will pop up. From here, click on the Settings and Support and then select Settings and Privacy. Now that you're in the settings, look for the Accessibility, Display and Languages option on the left hand menu. Click on it. Then click on Display from the option that appears. Under the display settings, you'll see an option called Theme. Here you can choose between default, dim and lights out. Dim gives you a dark gray theme, while a light out gives you a completely black theme. Select your preferred dark theme by clicking on it. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark theme on X.